I-Friday bafethu le awunthola nalaphiwe bafethu noSpikile bayidrophile bafethu wangidisappoint nathi mengithi uyadlala because ngiyamazi umuntu uthanda amahlaya vele hayi ngempela abayidrophile bafethu even though is another vision is not the same beat ebeyenza ngayi challenge but hayi bafethu hayi yabona ngoma lena bafethu I relate in this song. You understand? I relate in this song because this song is talking about someone opusha empilweni yakhe ufuna uzibona ephumelele efuna uzibona right but ikhona lezinja lezi nemigoduyi ebusy ithuka wena or ebusy ezama ukustop ukuthi ungafiki la ufike khona yayibona le nto leyo. Anyway, if ngumuntu owaziyo ukuthi wena nje yazi yonke into yenzayo abantu bayayigcikela phansi bayikhuluma kabi, this song is yours. You understand? Unalethi uyishayile igama layithi bayazibuza nalethi Cool Flavor and Spikile angithola na uSpikile ungene kamnandi lapha inkabi yami lapha yana yayibona avela siza proud sizinsizwe yayibona le nto leyo. Anyway bafethu, it's a nice song and I love the fact ukuthi Nadapiwe bafethu is growing career yakhe and is becoming a better musician of South Africa and we proud because azini sisemncane lo mntana lona and uza kahle ngolayini ngoshuni into enhle bafethu yanconywa into enhle bafethu sayisupporta akukho okudlula lokho bafethu ngicela somlalisa nje kancane nje nimuze uthini lo mntwana lona yiva le nto leyo because nakashaye kakhulu kodwa uza kahle. Ngiyanitshela bafethu ayigeke South Africa is well talented bafethu ayingeke noSpikile ungenile nawabulala bafethu angithola message kancane nje yabo but mina streamer guys ayingeke phela ngizise yonke ingoma awu abantu bazodwa uSpikile please kuzuza manje insizwa la angeke Spikile athi abafethu ama-streamer bafethu iphumile ingoma imeleni nabafethu angithola it's a nice song plus Friday today you can enjoy your Friday ngale ngoma bafethu VKS is out issue. Okunye bafethu before nivaya bafethu is either on iPhone oyipho umlungu wakho asayikhumbula password or in iCloud umlungu wakho asayikhumbula iCloud or udobhile or ifoni uyipho umngani wakho or ifoni esuka kufamily yakho uthi dala ihleli lapha yana sebekhohliwe passcode which is an iPhone from iPhone 6 to iPhone Pro Max. You understand? Siyakwazi ukunlokhela zona iOS zakhona mele zibe ku 26.1 or below. You understand? If udinga service enjalo ningithinte bafethu kule number ethi 06 777 94414 ndikwazi unlockela ama iPhone wenu. I also do that service but ningazi namafoni atshontshiwe guys. I do unlock ama iPhone ningithinte lo manamba lawo.